Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Tiwari representing ASC Group. Are you a producer, importer, brand owner, manufacturer or recycler? If yes, this video is important for you. Missing an environmental compliances deadline can result in penalties, environmental compensations, regulatory notices and unnecessary business risk. Understanding EPR and environmental compliances. Under environmental compliances regulations issued by the Government of India, producers, importer, brand owner, manufacturer, recycler, and other regulated entities are required to fulfill their obligation related to the risk collection, recycling, management of waste generated from product and packaging introduced into the markets. These compliances requirements include plastic waste management, electronic waste management, battery waste management, used oil management, hazardous waste, other environmental regulatory requirements. Timely compliances helps business operate smoothly while promoting sustainable development and environmental responsibility. Annual return filing and important deadlines. One of the most important compliances requirement for registered entities is the filing of annual return. Annual return enables regulatory authorities to monitor waste generation, collection and recycling activities, EPR target fulfillment, overall regulatory compliances. For entities registered under plastic waste management and battery waste management rules, the annual return for financial year 25-26 must be filed on or before 30th June 2020. Businesses should ensure that all required informations and supporting documents are prepared and submitted before the deadlines to avoid compliances risk. Now, what are the benefits of timely compliances? Completing our environmental compliances on time offers several advantages. Demonstrate compliance with environmental laws, avoid penalties and environmental compensation, maintains the validity of registration and authorizations, reduces the risk of regulatory notices and inspections, strengthens ESG and sustainability commitments, enhance brand reputations and stakeholder confidence. Timely compliances not only protect our businesses but also support long-term sustainable growth. Now, what are the consequences of non-compliances? Failure to comply with environmental regulations can have serious consequences. These may include imposition of environmental compensations, notices from Central Pollution Control Board and State Pollution Control Board, suspension or cancellation of registrations, delays in approval and business operations, increased regulatory scrutiny and inspection. Therefore, organizations should proactively complete their compliances obligation and avoid unnecessary penalties and disruptions. At ASC Group, we provide end-to-end support for environmental compliances requirements, including plastic waste EPR registration and annual return filing, battery waste EPR registration and compliances, electronic waste management compliances, used oil EPR compliances, hazardous waste authorization, central and state pollution registrations, environmental clearance and consents, ESG and sustainability advisor services, target fulfillment assessment, regulatory and compliances support. With year of experience and a dedicated team of experts, ASC Group help businesses achieve accurate, timely, and hassle-free compliances. The deadline is approaching, so don't wait until the last moment. Stay compliant, avoid penalties, and contribute toward a sustainable future. If your organizations require assistance with plastic waste, battery waste, electronic waste, used oil, hazardous waste, and any other environmental compliances requirement, our experts are ready to assist you. Connect with ASC Group today and let us help us to navigate your environmental regulations with confidence. Thank you for watching ASC Group.